Hi there, this is Scott from Relevance AI. Today I'm going to take you for a quick walkthrough of a tool that I built called the Simple Lead Scoring Tool. What it does is you give it an email address. It will then enrich that email address to give you things like the industry, the company name, the company size, and then it will give you a score of that email address based on the company size. So this is super basic. Obviously, in real life, lead scoring is a lot more complex than this in terms of the number of attributes you would use. But the idea is just to show you how Relevance AI works, show you how simple it is to get stuff off the ground, and then you can then customize it to your business and processes. So let's run this tool. And it's done. As you can see, we've got company name, we've got company industry, we've got country, got number of employees, got email address, and I've got a lead score. And my lead score is 10. So let's find out why. So before I start, this is a template. Anyone can use this template. So all you do is you use the URL that I provide in wherever I share this video and click clone template. And now it's in your account and you can play with it and do whatever you want with it. So let's have a look. So what it does is it does a Google search. It looks for the URL of my LinkedIn profile. Then it will ask the LLM to only extract the URL of my LinkedIn profile. Then it will scrape LinkedIn for the details from that profile page. And then it will take that information, extract the information from that page, as well as calculate the lead score, which you can see here. So all this is, from a lead score perspective, is if it's 0 to 50 employees, then it gives a lead score of 10. And that's why it gave me a lead score of 10, because we are a company of less than 50 people, but we are hiring and we're growing really quickly. So let's see how easy it is to edit this. So for example, say I want to reverse the order of this. Say I want to give it 100 if you've got 0 to 50 and 10 if you've got 10,000. Let's run this again. As you can see, this is running through the tool. And it's done. So I've got my company name, company industry, country, number of employees, email address, and lead score. Now I've had a lead score of 100. Fantastic. Okay, let's change this back to what it was. So put 10, and now I put 10, and then let's save this. So in reality, when you're doing lead scoring, you would never really do it one by one in terms of email address. Of course you can, but like it's not real. It's not real life. So what you can do with our tools is you can actually run them in bulk. So if you click up to the top here and you click on use, and then you choose run in bulk, then we can get started. So all you do next is click run in bulk, and you can choose where you get your bulk list from. So in this context, it's just a list of email addresses. So you can either just fill out a template table, you can upload a file, this is what I've done, and you can import from a website, you can scrape a website, or you can use an integration like a data warehouse. So I've already uploaded my data, so that's why I'm going to choose run on existing data, and we're going to choose this data set here. So now here it is, it's using my data that I'd added already, and you can see these 3 email addresses here. So now we click enrich with tool, and we're going to choose the simple lead scoring tool. All we need to do is map the table to the columns. So we're going to choose the email address, which, if you remember in the tool, is the input value, is the email address. And then we're going to say which outputs we want to get. So get the outputs, and these are then going to be added to this table. So let's do this, save and run. And now the tool's going to run, and it's going to run in bulk. So you can imagine if you had a large list of like 5,000 plus email addresses, you can then kind of enrich them one by one. And then when it's done, you can then take that information and you can store it somewhere. So you can send it to your data warehouse or your CRM or whatever it is you want to do with it. So here we go. So fantastic. So it's the last one left, which is Larry Page, one of the co-founders at Google, and it's done. So as you can see, we've got the information for each of these people. So you've got me in there, you've got CEO of Canva and co-founder of Google, and he's picked out the company name as well, picked out the countries and where they're from. It's got their email address, it's got their job title, and it's given them a lead score. So you can see Google with 10,000 employees, it's got a lead score of 100. Relevance with less than 50 employees has got a lead score of 10, and Canva with over 1,000 employees has a lead score of 50. Fantastic. And that's it. That is the quick walkthrough of the simple lead scoring tool. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.